Hello, TopShot fans. Welcome to my moment journey. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you the opening of the 2021 NBA Playoff Secrets to Release 3. So I was able to snag a pack, stayed up late, like 2 in the morning here in the Philippines. I was able to purchase this around 3:30 in the morning. So we were lucky enough because after an hour, 2 hours actually, it got sold out. So um, I'm happy to be sharing with you this pack opening. So let's go get to the pack, and hope you guys also was able to snag a pack. You know, all right. So you guys ready for this? Let's go hit it. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed that, because I did. Till next time.